Friends, welcome back. Okay, so first I'm going to take up the Arduino part. So as I told earlier, I have to do a simple programming. Okay, so already I have connected the Arduino code, Arduino thing into my part. Okay, I have a small Arduino board with me. Fine. Okay, so I have made a simple, very simple coding. It's not a very big coding. Okay, so first thing I'm just beginning my serial port. Okay, and I'm configuring my pin number 13 as an output port. Okay, and second thing, I'm just checking if serial dot available is there. Then I just read the data. I'm just getting it into my data, and I'm checking if my data is equal to A. What basically I do is that if you remember what we had done in that open board. Okay, so I told we'll be controlling this software, this hardware via software. What I basically do, what I mean by controlling is, in my LabVIEW routine, what I will do is, whenever I press this switch, I'll be sending a letter A. Whenever I switch off this is on, when the switch is on, I'll send a letter A. Whenever the switch is off, I send the letter B. Okay, so in the firmware logic, what I'll tell is, whenever I receive letter A via serial communication, I will make the pin number 13 high. Okay, so whenever I get B, I make the pin number 13 low. That's a logic. Okay, so that's what the logic says. Now we'll just go into this program. So if my data is equal to A, then digital write 13th pin as I. Else if my data is equal to B, digital write 13th pin is low. Okay, that's the simplest program, right? Okay, I will see how it works. So I have my Arduino board with me. This is my Arduino board. Fine, hope it is visible to all of you. This is my Arduino board. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to test this program. So first I will just upload my program into the LabVIEW, Arduino board. So it is getting compiled. Okay, so we'll see. So I have to check which port is basically my Arduino board is connected. My Arduino board is connected to 10th port, so I have to select the correct port and then I will upload it again. So once I upload, okay, so it's done uploading. Now I'll check my actual program whether it's working or not. So I'll just go into a serial monitor. I'll just give a A. So if I get a A, the LED is glowing. Perfect, right? So that's a simple program. So if I give a B, the LED is off. Okay, so that's we have tested the firmware logic, and we have taken the firmware logic into LabVIEW. Fine. Okay, now we'll go into the next part. So next part is, we are going to take up LabVIEW. Before that, we have to do one thing. We have to close Arduino. Okay, that's basically because you cannot access the same port, because the data is coming via a serial port. The same port you cannot access in both LabVIEW as well as Arduino. Okay, so you have to close your Arduino program and then start your LabVIEW program, where you're going to develop the software.